Solar panels have become a popular and sustainable solution for generating electricity in the face of growing environmental concerns and rising energy costs. However, one of the most common questions that we get asked at the Energy Professor is if solar panels work at night. The short answer is no, but it's a little more nuanced than that. That's why in this video, we're going to break down exactly what it means for solar panels to work at night. Here at the Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to also become more energy efficient. We hope that you find this video helpful, and be sure to check out our solar tool in the description below to calculate how much you could be saving at your address by switching to solar panels. All you need to do is enter your home or business address, select your property type, then select your estimated average monthly electric bill, and that's it. Our tools will calculate the upfront cost after incentives, 20-year benefits, tax incentives, the total 20-year savings, and how many years it will take for you to get paid back from installing your panels. You will also be able to see the savings no matter if you're looking to buy, lease, or loan your solar panel system. You can get all of this plus a free quote over at theenergyprofessor.com. To understand how solar panels work at night, let's first go over exactly how solar panels work to begin with. Solar panels rely on sunlight to generate electricity. They use photovoltaic or PV cells to convert sunlight into direct current or DC electricity. This electricity is then converted into an alternating current or AC for use in homes and businesses. Since solar panels depend on sunlight, they cannot produce electricity at night when the sun is absent. So how can solar panels help meet your energy needs after dark? While solar panels don't generate power at night, there are 3 ways that this is accomplished. Number 1, energy storage systems. Solar energy systems can be paired with batteries to store excess electricity generated during the day. This stored energy can be used at night, providing a seamless energy supply. Number 2, net metering. In regions with net metering policies, excess energy generated during the day can be fed back to the grid, earning credits that offset the cost of electricity used at night. And number 3, hybrid systems. Many solar installations combine solar panels with other energy sources, such as wind turbines or generators, to ensure consistent power supply. Although solar panels don't generate power at night, solutions like energy storage, grid integration, and hybrid systems still make it possible to maintain electricity access from your solar panels even after the sun goes down. As technology advances, the efficiency and adaptability of solar panels will likely improve, making it an even more integral part of our energy landscape. If you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find quality suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.